How to fix Instagram call audio on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram call audio on Android or iOS phone. First, go to Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there is any just see if and type Instagram and see if there's any update here for your Instagram, and if you found it, just update your Instagram. And if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. Go to settings, apps, apps again, then type Instagram, click on it, click force stop, go to storage, clear cache, then go to permissions, don't forget this one. Click Microsoft and then click allow, and that's it. Now restart your phone and try again. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.